All right, let's talk about this assignment, Geography of Pacific Islands, Oceania. I'm going to read the instructions and I'm going to show you how to do it. It says, look at the political map, which islands are independent and which are territories of other nations. If the box around the islands has red letters in it, the letters indicate which country maintains control over that area. So I have to go to my political map. I'm going to do that by going to my Launchpad. I'm going to open up my online textbook. And I'm going to look for my political map of Australia and Oceania. This should be familiar. We did this with our physical and political maps. All right, so as I'm going down, I am looking for, I'm going to scroll a little bit more. I am not looking for Asia or Southwest Asia. Having trouble scrolling down here. There we go, Unit 10, Australia, New Zealand, Oceania, and Antarctica. I'm going to click on Go, explore the region, clicking on my globe, and the instructions said I need a physical map. All right, now I can see what it's talking about, all these little islands, right? So I notice right here, I've got the Pitcairn Islands. In the red letters underneath, it says UK. That stands for United Kingdom. So I would go back to my document, and under United Kingdom, I would type in Pitcairn Islands. Okay? If the island has no name under it, for example, Marshall Islands, there's nothing in red underneath this. That tells me the island is independent. So then I would come back to my document, and under independent, I would put Marshall Islands. Marshall Islands. Once you have your chart filled out, you're going to flip your paper over, and you'll notice that you have all of these islands on here. Your instructions say that you're going to use the data from your chart, and you're going to color the islands according to who controls the territory. So I've done one example for you here. Again, the Pitcairn Islands belong to the United Kingdom. I've colored those blue. I've colored my block down here blue, and I will go look for any of the other islands, and I color the entire square. So if I was going to do France, French Polynesia here belongs to France, I would color the entire square. Let's say I do green, and then I come over here and make sure that's green as well.